parents. Today I am making this video to show you how to share your screen so I can see what you're seeing. So as you can see my screen, I am there. And then over here, if you see at this corner, it says present now. You're gonna hit there. You're gonna present your entire screen. And then you're gonna hit here, hit share, and you're automatically sharing your screen. It will start saying this, that you are presenting to everyone. And then when I prompt you to, you're gonna go to your boom cards. Let's say that we are working on, I don't know, let's go to the end and we are working on matching, or I just saw matching. Where would the matching go? Let's say that we're doing this one. Then it will help me see that your child is clicking on the right stuff. Also, if we are doing simple questions like yes or no, right, it will let me know. It says here, is this a duck? And then your child will be able to click on his own yes or no. So that is why I ask if you guys have a computer or an iPad, so I can know if I can do an interactive class with you and your child.